someone's heard that maybe we should use another one. All of these are wrong, right? They're not, they're not manifestly terrible ideas by themselves, but if you run a network, you should keep your DNS traffic local. Talk a bit more about that later. And then there's private infrastructure. There's no one. You follow the common guidelines and then the extra ones that apply to you. So that's the same thing I said, but just as a nice little picture. The DNS, either you're an authoritative operator, you run .lk, or you run yourshop.lk. You're an authoritative operator. There's a recursive resolver operators. That's if you're an ISP. If you're a company, you run a DNS server and you provide recursive service for other people. At the end of the day, we're all in this show together. We're all, it's one internet. We're all hardening the DNS ecosystem. But by joining this voluntary initiative, you help make the internet better for everyone, not only your customers. Right. So, how many guidelines are there?